Hambal ni Peter, no Lord, hindi na siya pwede matabo. Ano ang hambal ni Jesus Christ kay Peter? Get thee behind me, Satan. Oh, that's the judge. That's the rightful judge. Because he just not see the physical reality, he also see spiritual reality. Hindi niya gin-rebuke si Peter. Ang gin-rebuke niya si Satan behind Peter. You see the eyes of Jesus Christ seeing Satan behind Peter? Sila niya, get thee behind me, Satan. He's not talking to Peter. He's talking to Satan. So that's the picture. Seeing Jesus Christ on the cross, Father, forgive them, for they do not know what they are doing. They do not see the spiritual reality. They do not see this truth. Forgive them. They judge one another. Forgive them, Lord. It's obvious for them to see the sin of their brothers and their sisters. Forgive them, Lord. That's the truth that Jesus Christ wants to teach to each one of us tonight. Verse 38. How about this? Verse 38? Give, and it will be given to you. Good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over, will be poured into your lap. For with the measure you use, it will be measured to you. If you are familiar with this verse, it is commonly quoted during offering time. But this is not about offering. This is not about tithing. It is not about giving. It is not about financial prosperity. It is about judgment. Do not judge. Actually, ang pinaka-message ni Jesus Christ dito, in verse 37, hambal niya, do not judge, and you will not be judged. Do not condemn, and you will not be condemned. Sabi niya, forgive, and you will be forgiven. So yung ginambal ni Jesus Christ niya, i-give galing, it is grace. It is forgiveness. To mention niya siya, forgive, and you will be forgiven. Give, sabi niya, give, and it will be given to you. So the context na ginambal diri is not tithing, it's not offering, it is forgiveness. Sabi niya, ihatag ng forgiveness. Kaya kung nagpatawad ka, patawaron ka man. Kag ang pagpatawad sa imo, sabi niya, nag-aawas-awas. Nagasurubra. Nagatubod. Hindi kulangon ang pagpatawad niya mabaton mo kung magpatawad ka man sa iba. You see? Ginakot nato nga verse during the offering. No, to invite everyone nga kung maghatag sila, ipakamayon sila sa Ginoo. Paggabugan na kung sa Ginoo ang tanan nila ang pangitanan. But it is not again about time. It is about forgiveness. It is about releasing grace. And Jesus Christ assured us na kung maghatag kita, mag-release kita sa grace, we would be generous in our forgiving to another's fault, to another's offenses. Niya, you too, God, the God of grace, will give you His grace abundantly. Na nag-aawas, wala pugong-pugong, wala sagang-sagang. And this is the final truth that we would learn tonight. Atong sa verse 37, yung inambal ni Jesus Christ niya, do not judge, and you will not be judged. Do not condemn, and you will not be condemned. Jesus Christ talks this matter when He is in His human nature, or I mean, in His human body. Saan ara siya sa inyong kalibutan? Because He came not as a judge, but as a Savior. Hambal niya din sa John, let me open the book of John chapter 8. Jesus Christ said in verse 15, sabi niya, you judge by human standards. I pass judgment to no one. Verse 16, sila nga, but if I do judge, sila nga, my decisions are true, because I am not alone. I stand with the Father who sent me. Sila nga. Sila nga, nagkadwa ko din, hindi para may husgahan kami. Because He came as a Savior of every humankind. But of course, that's during the time or during these days. Nga wala pa nagbalik sa Jesus Christ. But when He returns, He is sitting on the throne to judge. And that's the end of the grace. Matapos ang grasya sa Ginoo. Kagang paghusga, ang na siyang katapusan sa grasya. Kaya hindi kita ang maghusga. Siya lang ang may authority sina. You know, saling nga, kung nga ginahambal niya nga do not judge. Because to judge is a sacred thing. It is not human thing. It is not our department. It is, it is only God who judge. Sa iya lang na siya ang department. It is, ano siya? Sacred. That's the word, no? Sacred na ginawa describe. It is a holy and sacred role to play. And it is only reserved to the one true judge, and that is Jesus Christ. It is sacred. You know, ang reality gits na actually, when we are tempted to judge or we are tempted to throw judgment, actually that is mockery. You know the word mockery? Yung we take whatever is sacred to become ordinary. So to judge, kung ibutang nato sa atong nga kaugalingon na maghusga sa iban, dogin mo lang nato ang judgment, to give judgment as an ordinary thing, where in fact it is sacred. It is reserved. It is a holy thing. And that we are all subject to that one day of judgment. No? So the throne is sacred, the role is sacred, the standard is sacred. Everything about judgment are sacred and reserved to Jesus Christ alone. So I pray, no, it's my prayer na we would learn. Again, hindi buot sila nga wala kita nagapanghusga sa iban. We will tolerate sin, no? Very clear nagambal si Jesus Christ sa itong babae nga nadakpan niya nagapamit adultery. Sila nga, neither I will judge you. Neither I. Bisan ako hindi ako maghusga sa inyo. Pero lakat ka hindi na magkabuhi sa pagpakasala. So the same with us. That instruction of Jesus Christ given to that woman is also the instruction given to all of us. Since no one of us are exempt